Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBot143. You are watching Facebook tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to clear and disable off Facebook activity history on Facebook. Facebook tracks us even when we are not on Facebook. Because of its relation with thousands of apps and websites, Facebook receives the information about what we do online. When we visit a website or open an app, for example, an online shopping app, our activity is shared with Facebook, who will then send us targeted ads based on that activity. We can see and control data that apps and websites share with the platform by using the Off Facebook Activity tool. Log into the Facebook, click on down arrow showing in top right next to Quick Help. From the drop down options, please select to Settings. In the left column, choose your Facebook information, and in right panel, click on View next to Off Facebook Activity. If you want, we can read the Off Facebook Activity function. In this, click on Manage your Off Facebook Activity. Then it will show the activity performed on different websites. Off Facebook Activity is the summary of activities that businesses and organizations share with us about our interactions with them, such as visiting their apps and websites. They use Facebook to share this information with us. To erase the activity, click on Clear History, and it will open the notification window. If you select to clear your off Facebook activity from your account history will be disconnected from your account. Clearing your history may log you out of Truecaller, but still we will see the same number of ads. If you agree with this, simply click on clear history, otherwise click on cancel, and our activity has been cleared. We can also turn off future off Facebook activity, which tells Facebook to disconnect any information that the company has shared from our account, or we can selectively choose which companies you want to stop sharing your activity, and it will stop showing us those targeted ads. So to manage our future activity, click on Manage Future Activity. Again, read the instructions and click on Manage Future Activity. To disable this, drag the slider to left. Read the instructions carefully. If you agree these conditions, simply click on Turn Off. By disabling this, Facebook won't know which websites we visited or what we looked at, so we won't see any targeted ads from those sites. Like this, we can clear and disable off Facebook activity history on Facebook. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click a like button and share this video with your friends. ITBot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.